Hey, what's up? Oh, hey, what's up, everybody? This is Reptile Snake, and before Lizard King goes to bed, he's gonna have a little nighttime snack, and for his stuff for tonight. So, just put him down. One time he's not gonna eat because I'm filming, and I just touched him. You know you like it. There's 2 waxworms in there. They've been in there all day. Well, there's like 6 in there. And that's George Lopez in the back, so. There we go, waxworm, good. Because I need like him to get fatter. That was cool. I'm just gonna end it on that. I don't know if you guys see my face. Oh, my hair's a little messed up, but yeah, this is how I look, and that was the video, and when I make a new one, you guys will see it, and that's it. Subscribe, please, and later.